Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS Today. I'm giving you a sneak peek into one of our most requested and most exciting topics yet.
Right now, satellites are watching wildfires erupt, floods rise, and forests vanish, all in real time. No, this isn't some sci-fi movie. This is happening right now, thanks to powerful satellites like Landsat, Sentinel, and Planet Labs silently orbiting above us. But what are these satellites actually doing up there? See, they aren't just space cameras. They're loaded with high-tech sensors, peering down from 700 kilometers above. They can track land changes, water levels, vegetation health, even spot pollution and heat anomalies, all without ever touching the ground. Let's rewind for a second. Landsat was the OG, launched way back in 1972. Since then, it's been taking a new photo of almost every patch of Earth every 16 days. Imagine, a time machine of pictures capturing how our planet changes frame by frame. But Europe's Sentinel satellites? Full power upgrade. These beauties can snap the entire Earth every 5 days. Sentinel-2 especially is next level. It takes images in multiple color bands with up to 10-meter clarity. That's good enough to see how crops are growing, where forests are disappearing, and how cities are spreading outwards. Now, Planet Labs shook things up completely. Instead of a few big satellites, they sent up swarms of tiny Dove CubeSats. What's the result? They photograph the whole land area of our planet every single day. Yep, you heard that right. You get a new snapshot of Earth daily, like a morning selfie, but for the entire world. So what does all this mean for us? Real-time monitoring, my friend. When the Amazon was burning, these satellites captured the fire scars in almost real time. During the floods in India, they mapped the rising waters while the world was still waking up. Even in California, when wildfires raged, satellites mapped the damage before the news crews could even arrive. Think about it. Together, Landsat, Sentinel, and Planet Labs are generating terabytes of data every single day. And most of this information, it's free, open, and available to anyone. Scientists, governments, or even startups can use it to track climate change, predict disasters, and react faster to emergencies. Here's a wild fact. There are over 20,000 active satellites flying around Earth today, and with help from AI, we can now automatically spot illegal mining, oil spills in the ocean, or even sneaky forest cutting, all by just scanning the latest images. So basically, we're living on the most closely observed planet in the entire universe. Every fire, every flood, every single forest change, being recorded and analyzed from above. Next time you see a satellite image, remember, it's not just a pretty picture. It's Earth's report card, telling us what's happening and what needs fixing. If you want to know more about how we map and monitor our planet, subscribe to Native GIS. Let's explore the world from above, together.
Workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.